Hey guys, welcome back. Bear with me on this angle here. I really don't know how these professional YouTubers can get the product, the table in themselves so neatly in there. But in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this LG Ultra HD 4K monitor. Now this monitor is the LG 27UL500 model. And before I unbox, I'm just going to quickly go through the spec sheet. It has an IPS LCD panel. It's 27 inches. The resolution is 4K, so that's 3840 by 2160 pixels. The display technology is AMD FreeSync. If you're a gamer, you'll know what this is talking about. So tearing occurs when your monitor won't refresh as quickly as the game's frame rate. For players who deal with this issue regularly, it can ruin the gameplay experience. There's a way to sync your refresh rate to your GPU rendering, but you'll need to use FreeSync to do it. And that's what this monitor has. So it has AMD Radeon FreeSync, and I think that only applies if you have an AMD GPU anyway. The refresh rate is 60 Hz, has a viewing angle of 178 by 178 degrees, has a brightness of 300 CD per meter squared. It's got a response time of 5 milliseconds, contrast ratio of 1000 to 1. So it has two HDMI ports and one DisplayPort 1.4 version. It doesn't have speakers, but it does have a 3.5mm jack audio output. It is wall mountable. It has a VESA wall mount, and it weighs 7.1 kg with the dimensions 460 by 623 by 209. So I think this is the slightly open. Okay, so if we open this up, the monitor stand. That feels quite sturdy. It semi does feel a bit cheap, but it's got a nice weight to it. That's okay. So let's put that to the side. What do we have here? I think that's the other part of the stand. No idea how they fit together just yet, but we'll check that out. So we're supplied with the AC power adapter. That's just standard 3-pin power adapter in white. Sorry, that's the power plug. This is the power adapter. Yeah, that's the AC power adapter, both parts of it. We have over here, looks to be the HDMI cable, provided that for us. So it looks to be probably a meter long HDMI cable in white. So pretty neat. It's not gold plated or anything, but it will do the job. And this is probably then the DisplayPort cable. Yeah, looks to be somewhat well made. If you need it, there's this owner's manual CD in there, a plastic trim piece which I guess goes with the parts of the stand. You can see that. Yeah. Then we have here an energy sticker. Who needs this stuff? So then we have the usual, looks like, I don't know what it looks like. It just shows me what parts come with it. Assembly manual? I don't know, user guide maybe. But we have that. We have, in the event of a fault, leaflet thing. Display assurance quality report, don't really care. Some adapter information. What are these QR codes they've given? Okay, that's going straight in the bin. This looks to be the two screws, probably for the stand to attach it to the monitor. A handling guide and just a user manual book. Cool. Yeah, nice. So let's lift that out of the box. That's our 27-inch 4K LG monitor. Man, it does have some weight to it. Here's the back of it. HDMI, DCI in, DisplayPort in, and then the power. And that little metal piece right at the bottom there is for stand. And then it looks to be some sort of toggle button at the bottom of the monitor. So let's assemble the stand onto the monitor. First of all is this bit that pops onto the monitor. get yourself a Phillips screwdriver and screw those in. Cool. That's screwed in nicely. Then the next part is, of course, this bit here, and this bit goes and attaches to the bottom of that piece I've just fitted. Now this piece here, guys, doesn't have separate screws, but it does seem to have its own threading screw here. You can twist this and I guess that will lock into place this screw into here. I assume it just pops into here. There, now that that's tightened up in there, I'm going to use that little handle and screw this in to lock it in place. Cool. That seems to be the stand done. And then the last step is, of course, this plastic trim cover, which I guess would pop on like that. And there we are. And that's what it looks like. Cool. I'm just going to get this set up on my desk and then I'll show you guys a video of it on. So here's the monitor fully set up. So I have my MacBook connected to a dock, which connects the HDMI cable to the monitor, and the screen, beautiful. 4K is amazing. It scales well. Refresh rate is about 60 Hz, quite smooth, unlike my camera skills. A few things I just wanted to point out. The stand, not great. Don't know if this is going to come across on video, but even though the stand is nice and steady, this monitor is a bit wobbly on the stand, which I'm not too keen on. Another issue with this monitor is it's not height adjustable if you use the regular stand. So I can't just push this up or down, it's kind of fixed. So not great. What I'm gonna do is probably get the Visa mount so that I can have the monitor exactly where I want it. But it does, you can tilt the monitor up or down. Here we are. That's the monitor now attached to the Visa mount. I'll attach a link to that mount that I've bought down in the description below. It's quite cool. It has basically a laptop stand that's adjustable, and then the monitor, obviously it looks, I mean, semi looks like it's floating, which I think is quite nice. This way I can do a lot more adjustments to the monitor. It's the perfect height for me right now. And yeah, I think we'll end the video there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please do like and subscribe. See you guys next time.